What is up, everybody? What is up? How is everybody doing today, man? You already should know how it go. It's your boy B back with another video. If you guys haven't already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and of course subscribe if you don't know who I am. My name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And today what we're going to be talking about is reselling, okay? Reselling is not difficult. But I want to actually go over a full mini reselling tutorial for free, right? Like, this is a completely free tutorial or walkthrough step by step on how I list and what 2 apps I would recommend you to have to be able to make the most out of your eBay listings. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones. I've been reselling since over a decade, and I have enjoyed being able to teach people, reach people, and inspire people, but most importantly, give people information for them to use in the way they see fit for them to be able to make money. All right. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over how do you start reselling? Why should you start reselling? And is it profitable? Now, why should you start reselling? You should start reselling physical products because that is the best way for you to make sure that you maintain your wealth. Okay, so prime example, I have some clones right here. Okay, these are AirPod Gen 2 clones. They're not replicas because they don't have any Apple logos on them. Okay, these are clones. Okay, these are clones. No serial number, nothing, but they sell like hotcakes. Okay, and no, I'm not selling them for $95. I sell them for around $50, $60. They cost me as low as $28. They cost you as low as $28 on WESPLY.com. But let's continue. If you were somebody that invested $28 in this product, okay, let's say you got this for $28, and then let's say you didn't sell it at all. That $28 is down the drain in your head, correct? That's the problem. It should never be down the drain in your head. Instead, that $28 is still in this asset. No matter when it sells, you just got to put it in front of the right person, okay? The right person. Now, that means you need to list it on eBay, Mercari, OfferUp, Amazon, wherever you want, and you need to make sure that you're revising. You need to make sure that your listing is appropriate and will attract the right people. So we're not going to list this though because that's an easy list. Instead, we're going to list a few products that I just have that I need to list on a new eBay automation client's eBay. But I'm going to take you through how, if I was you, I would start to accumulate the products. Well, not even accumulate because you already know where to get them. WESPLY.com. If you don't know, this is where you get the products from, okay? You go to WESPLY.com and you can get a whole bunch of products. So I don't even want to go through that part because this is where I get my products from. This is my company, my wholesale warehouse. This is where I get products and give you guys products for cheap, for the low. I also have a resellers kit where you can actually get one of the best deals on the market. You can get 30 products for $250 or 50 products for $300. Now the price will be going up because we selling a lot now, but you can go and get your products. This is going to start your business. But nevertheless, let's get into what we're talking about. You want to have the product that you got, and you want to do what I'm about to teach you. Okay? All right. So, number one, we're going to start with this 11. Well, it's a Type-C adapter with Type-C to Lightning cable. So let me go full screen. We need to list this. Okay? Now, I know it may seem simple. Brandon, you just go and you hit sell and you list. No. We need to do product research first, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to say iPhone Type-C adapter and cable 18 watt. Okay? I see a bundle right here. Just gonna look. All right, perfect. 15 sold. They selling it for 23, but it's Apple, they say, right? I don't care. All I really wanted to find was a picture that linked me to a great title. You wanna know why? Because I'm gonna go and put the title in here, and then it's gonna show me these. I'm going to go all the way down to sold. Okay. First, we want to find out if this is something that people want. Okay. How do I find that out? I go to sold, and then I just want to make sure that it's selling frequently. And it is. It's selling frequently. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the most recent that sold. We're going to go. We know it's not Apple. It's the one we just saw. 15 sold. Great. We're going to then go and we can take these pictures. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to take these pictures, but I will say this. I want a picture that shows them this box. I want a picture that's going to show them this. Oh, sorry, guys. This box. Okay. Look at this box. This box resembles the Apple box so well. So I really want to try and get a picture that resembles that. So I'm going to say Type-C adapter with lightning. No, with Type-C to lightning adapter. Let's see if I can get a box. Come on, give me a box, y'all. Boom. That's what I wanted to see. Perfect. Now that I see the packaging, now this is not, see, my packaging is better. Look at the back of this and then look at this. See the arrow tab, and you see how, I know this is a little banged up because that's how it came. This is, I don't know why I grabbed this box, but whatever. It's other boxes we had that aren't banged up. But you see the packaging, right? This is the difference between cheap and quality. But nevertheless, right? What we're going to do is we can take this picture, and I really don't want this back one because it doesn't show. So let me see. That's fine. Oh, these are really selling. And we could do a 5-pack too. Okay, I'm with that. I'm with that, but we gotta make sure numbers make sense though. So let's focus on one for right now. Okay. So let's go to sell. And you might be thinking, well, Brandon, it's time to list, right? No. 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 All right. One, we just wanted to get the title, which we found the title. So we're gonna put that title there. But we gotta work on our pricing. Now, this is for all of my resellers that is looking to actually start to learn how to sell effectively with a business mindset. We're gonna go profit margin calc. Okay, so profit margin calculator. Now I can tell you right now, this will cost you on wesply.com. This will cost you around $3.50 if you buy 12, I believe. Okay, $4 if you buy anything less. So we know it costs us $3.50, and we know for a fact that we can go all the way up to a 75% profit margin, right? But the interesting thing is when I look at these listings, I see $23. When I go and look at the sold, wait, what is this? Okay. Go look at sold. I feel like I clicked off the original one, right? I think I did. Hold on. All right. When I look at sold, I can see different prices. My thing is I'm not trying to go to 25 or the 19. Now, this is a great time for me to show you guys the other app. The other app that I want you guys to start working with is Canva. Now, I want to make this very clear. I have an issue. I don't like when I try to put people on game and they complain. Now, I'm not saying you guys are complaining, but I've had mentees, right? I'll say, hey, man, use this app because this app will help you do X, Y, and Z. Oh, it costs too much. Oh, my God, it costs too much. Bro, if you're not willing to invest in yourself, then don't be a reseller, broski, because it ain't for you, right? Now, Canva don't cost that much. Let's make that clear. But you could do this for free, right? You can have a free Canva account and do this. So what you're going to do, I just imported this picture. Now, the reason why I'm importing this picture is just because I want to show y'all something. Because remember I said I wanted that backing, right? Remember I said I wanted the back that looked like this, right? We found it right here. Okay, but again, we got to get rid of this Apple logo. So I'm going to actually copy this. We don't need the front. We really just need to make sure that we are taking that Apple logo off of the back. Okay, we do not want to sell products that have Apple logos on them because we're not licensed to sell Apple, right? So that would be very bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to go edit picture. We're going to go to Magic Eraser. We're going to make this a little bigger. Boom, erase. Now that might be too big. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to save it. And that's really it. We're going to save it as a PNG with a transparent background. We're going to go back, let that save. Okay, we're going to go back to the computer. We're then going to go and we're going to get this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so as we go, watch this, guys. Now that Apple logo has been taken off. It looks exactly like how we want it to. And now we need to worry about our profit margin. So I know for a fact that I don't want to sell it for 25, 26. I'd rather just sell this starting out, right? Knowing I get it for as low as $4. I'll sell this for $12. I know it's going to be a 70.83% profit margin. Why is that important? It's important because now that I know that that profit margin is at 70%, I know for a fact that now I can dictate, hey, all right, if I'm going to buy from a distributor, I need to make sure that I can make 70% profit margin or higher with whatever charge they're charging me. So let's say you're like, Brandon, I don't like your website, and you're going on another website looking for a distributor. You want to make sure if you're shopping for a distributor that the price that they're giving you still allows you to make that 70% profit margin. If it doesn't, then you now know that, okay, I got to either find another distributor or I need to mark up my price. Now, you marking up your price is only going to increase your profit margin. But again, it's not about increasing your profit margin. See, this is where people get it wrong. It's not about, hey, I want to make sure that I make the most money. That's not what it's about. It's not, business isn't about I want to make the most money. It's about I want to spend the least amount of money, and I want to be able to provide the customer with the best amount of price possible, the best value. So a lot of people get it wrong. They think, well, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to charge them up the ass. Well, if you charge them up the ass, you're now going to have that expectation that you're a expensive brand, which some people want, but you're also not necessarily going to do the model that I work with, which is quantity over price. I'd rather get more people coming to me than have least people coming to me because my price is high. All right. And that's worked for me. Remember, this is all information I'm giving you based upon what I see works. Okay. So we already know that we're going to go ahead. What was that profit margin at that set? We're going to go ahead. I say, let me see something. Let's do, it cost us, let's say $350. I'll say we do 14. Okay. Let's stick to 14% profit margin. Important that you know your profit margins, because when you go to your accountant or when you're just checking in your business in general, you want to know, okay, I'm used to making a 75% profit margin off of my charging bundles. So if I'm going to get a distributor, it needs to maintain that profit margin. If not, then I need to boost my prices up. This is just a great way of handling business in the right and proper manner so that you can always do it to the highest of your capabilities. So like if you have a store, prime example, you know that with adapters, I didn't put a description, I'm tripping. With adapters, I want to make sure that I have the best profit margin, but my profit margin usually is going to stick with 75. You start to be able to have a spreadsheet to where now you know, okay, this is going to be my profit margin. All right, so that's sort of kind of how I list products, and also that's how I list products in my store as well. Now this is just a test. This is just a teaser. We're going to be able to see how this sells, and if it sells too fast, we'll up the profit margin. Now guys, this is just literally a sample of what I offer on my weekly classes. Okay, I offer way more information. Join the Hustlers Network, become one of my mentees. All you got to do literally is, all you have to go to is hustlertaughtme.com. and then go to Join Hustlers Network. Okay, you join the network, and we make sure that you get 12 products every single month. You get 2 classes with me every single week. You get unlimited book calls with me. And again, you're not just paying for a network, because it is $100 to join. You're not just paying for a network. You're paying for products that you're going to be getting, which are going to be included for that $100, plus unlimited meetings with me, so I can walk you through more profit margin examples and also show you more more ticks, more tips. More tricks and tips. Sorry, y'all. Like, I've been doing mad videos, so I'm tongue twisted. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in another video, man. Make sure you guys make money work for you. Don't work for the money. And I'll see you guys at the top, because it's way too crowded at the bottom. Peace.